Okay, so the exercise here is to choose one of the words on the left and put them at the right place on the pictures. Let me start with, let's say, Christian. Christian, would you like to read off, just to read the first two words on the left-hand side?
Blouse, umbrella.
I'm so proud of you. Excellent. Now, let's check with Galka.
The first one is scarf and the second one is t-shirt.
All right, and where do you see a scarf? On which picture? You can drag and drop. Excellent. Let's check with Vanessa. The other words.
The other words are boats and pants.
Okay, where can we put pants? Excellent. All right, let's check now with Elita. Would you read off the other two words?
Shorts stays over here.
Let's check with Ekaterina. Ekaterina will have two words, and then Chris will have one word. Do you know the meaning and where do they go? The next two words.
Rain boots and jacket. Rain boots go here.
Okay, all right. Now, we'll have a movie. Do you like movies? The question for you is, which season is this movie from? Okay?
Merry Christmas!
All right, who knows the answer? What is the answer?
The answer is winter. This season is winter.
Excellent, this season is winter, and I bet the other kids also knew that Christmas is winter and maybe it's your favorite season, right? Now, shall we try another exercise? Basically, these are the seasons. Each picture represents a season. And now we have to choose the letters to see how you spell. Now, this is teamwork, so help each other. And I'll give you some time. It may be a little difficult. Maybe you need to move some letters around. Or actually, you're doing great. Yay! So, Cristian Adrian, good for you. You spelled spring. So Galka and Vanessa spelled the second picture, and this is
Summer.
go ahead, Vanessa. Summer, maybe your favorite season. Now, Elitsa was by herself, good for her, and she spelled fall. Ekaterina and Chris spelled which season? Winter. Thank you. Was it easy? All right, excellent. Now, so first, it is raining. Excellent.
It's raining.
It is raining. Who wants to go on the second picture?
Yes, the correct word is hot.
Excellent. Now, let's check with Adrian and the fourth one. Excellent. You can tell that it's windy. Okay, bravo, bravo. So, which word is different? Summer is my favorite season. Wonderful. Bravo, Adrian. Bravo. Galka wants to go next. Please, Galka, read the next sentence. The answer.
It's hot and sunny. We are running and playing with water guns and balloons.
Excellent. Balloons. Thank you, guys. This was excellent. And I want to thank you for the class today.